What if the fuel you thought was green wasn't entirely clean? Today, we're talking about biomass briquettes, a fuel that's becoming popular in India's clean energy journey. But are they really as good as they sound? Stay with us as we explore their hidden problems in just 5 minutes. Biomass briquettes are cost-effective and eco-friendly, but they come with some serious challenges, from risky fuel feeding to combustion issues. Let's explore why industries are rethinking briquettes for greener solutions. First is fuel feeding. Biomass briquettes can only be fed manually. It's labor-intensive and dangerous. Workers risk backfires and overheating, and accidents in briquette-fired boilers are all too common. Plus, opening fire doors lets heat escape and excess air sneak in, tanking boiler efficiency and causing black smoke pollution. What about automatic fuel feeding for briquettes? Sounds great, but the large size of briquettes makes them incompatible with most feeding systems. Crushing them works, but industries like food processing avoid it. Seamless automation in briquette firing is possible only with the Steamax Auto Fuel Feeding Kit, perfectly integrated with the powerful briquette crusher. Next, let's talk about combustion. Smaller biomass fuels, like pellets or astillas, burn better. Why? They mix with air more effectively, reaching higher temperatures for cleaner combustion. Briquettes, being larger, often lead to suboptimal burning, reducing system performance and increasing emissions. Smaller fuels like astillas or pellets simply outperform them. So, what's the takeaway? While briquettes shine for cost and availability, their feeding and combustion challenges are hard to ignore. As industries lean toward automation and efficiency, fuels like pellets and astillas are stealing the spotlight. That's a wrap. What do you think? Are biomass briquettes still the future, or should we switch to pellets or astillas?